God, for food we eat. Thank you, God, for birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for words so sweet. Thank you, God, for food we eat. Thank you, God, for birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything.
Stand at this. Thank you, friends. I invite Malavika for reading pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Malavika. Let us invite Muhammad Nasar for reading the news.
You are welcome to the news. Today news is brought to you by Muhammad Nasar bin Sam from their standard. Knowledge. Streets a society toward progress. CM Exchange Vijayalakshmi GT. Thiruvananthapuram. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan extended Mahanavami Vijayalakshmi greetings to the people and said it is knowledge that streets a society towards progress. Children are introduced to writing their first letter on this of Vijayalakshmi that falls on to the 10th day of the 10th month on Hindu calendar Ashwin. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Muhammad Nasar. Let us welcome Karthik for thoughts for the day. Good morning all. This is Karthika Nayak from Brady. I am going to present today's thought. Speak 5 lines to yourself every morning. I am the best. God is always with me. I can do it. Today is my day. I am a winner. By APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you all. Thank you, Karthik. Let us invite Malavika for picture story description.
Good morning. I am Malavika Binu. Today I am telling about the story The Greedy Dog. A dog searched for food here and there. On the way, it found a bone. It kept it in his mouth. On the way, it had to cross a bridge. When it was crossed the bridge, it saw its reflection in the water. It thought that there was another dog with bone. He wanted to get that bone too, so he barked. His bone fell into the water. The greedy dog lost its food. The moral of the story is don't be greedy.
Thank you, Malavika. Now here is a conversation performance done by Vishal Vishnu.
Respected teacher, my dear friends, I am Vishal Vishnu. Today I am going to present a conversation between the mother wolf. Why are you late, Mowgli? The dangerous snake blocked our way. Oh God, how did you escape from Ka? I pressed Ka's neck with all my strength. He cried in pain and go away. Okay, Mowgli, let's go home. Bye. Thank you all.
Thank you, Vishal. Let us invite Kaniha for reciting a rhyme.
Butterflies, butterfly, 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 fly in the sky. Butterfly, butterfly, fly so high. Butterfly, butterfly lands on my tea. Butterfly, butterfly, motionlessly lies. Butterfly, butterfly, gracefully dies. Butterflies are so beautiful. I like them very much. I colored pictures of different butterflies.
Attention! National Anthem.
Janagana